Welcome to the Live Drivers section. When a driver is ready for work, they turn on their live location in the Just Tracking app. Once active, they instantly appear here, where brokers and dispatchers can view their position in real time. Finding a driver is easy. Use filters to search by equipment type or location, or simply click on the map. By selecting a driver's picture, you'll see their details and last availability time. All information provided under the driver's agreement. From there, you can contact the driver and offer a job directly. Please note that Just Tracking is a connection platform only. We help drivers, brokers, and dispatchers connect. But we do not take responsibility for any false information, miscommunication, or poor service provided by any party. We highly recommend that you verify the carrier or dispatcher you are dealing with before finalizing any job or agreement. This process is fast, simple, and reliable, helping both drivers and brokers or dispatchers save time and connect with confidence.